Good evening. I am Alicia with Travel with Alicia Nichol. I am back tonight with another tour. This one is a private Christmas markets walking tour, Vienna. This is in Austria. This is $326.55 per group. The group size is up to 8 travelers. Free cancellation up to 24 hours before the experience starts, and reserve now, pay later is also an option. This tour is approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes. Pickup is offered. This is the languages this is offered in is German, English, and Spanish. So you will discover Vienna's spectacular Christmas markets on an action-packed walking tour. You won't have to worry about navigating as the guide will lead the way, and you will save time by visiting at least 3 markets in one evening. You will see Vienna's top sites illuminated at night and learn about Viennese Christmas traditions from your guide. Itineraries vary on potential markets. Your visit will include arts and arts and crafts at St. Charles Church and Old Vienna at Freyung. Um, what is included is the guide. The guide is a private licensed Austria guide from the doorstep, pier, and the train station. Their pickup points, you will be able to search the options so it can be directly at your doorstep. The start time for this tour is 4:30 p.m. This tour offers a variety of stops. This tour does operate in all weather conditions, so you would need to dress appropriately. This is not wheelchair accessible. Service animals are allowed. This is not recommended for travelers with back problems, heart problems, or any other serious medical conditions. This is a private tour, and again, it's up to 8 travelers. I will have the link below for this. In the link, there will be reviews and additional images of the tour. It'll be the previous travelers' photos, so you'll be able to see additional photos not included with the ones that I'm showing you. Um, so in the description, the link will be below. That'll take you directly to the tour, so you can book it through there. Also, if will be included will be my agent information, so it'll give you 3 different ways to contact me. If you decide you have additional questions or you need additional assistance with this tour. Also, I will be the agent for the tour, no matter if you book through me directly or if you click the link. I'm here for all purposes, and my services are free of charge. They're no cost to you. Anything that is actually charged by me it's well written on my website, but for these services I do not charge. And thank you for joining me tonight. Thank you.